Hello, Namaskar, welcome to my channel. This will help me to continue to create a more content. If you could you like and share and subscribe my channel, Spiritual Sweta. So today I am talking about that Sanatan Dharma only. So basically we before video also I spoke like in Sanatan Dharma only. So today I am also speaking in Sanatan Dharma only. What is the Sanatan Dharma? It's like in Sanatan Dharma, meaning the internal law or external way of life is a term used to describe the traditional Hindu way of life, the principle of the Vedic tradition, and it's often used as an term form within the group to describe a Hinduism, describe the Hindu cultures, describe to traditional, describe to temples, describe to all about the spiritual things, describe to in Shiva, describe to in Lord Vishnu. In everything is related to of the Sanatan Dharma. The term of the external nature and the internal nature is a principle of law that the govern the universe and human, like a key of Sanatan Dharma. Some points in covered in this video of like internal nature. What is the internal nature? Like Sanatan Dharma it is seen as a timeless tradition with its roots the tracing back to the Vedic period and beyond. Dharma second is like a dharma as a way of life. Is dharma a key concept? Dharma is a key concept in a Sanatan Dharma refers to the natural order, cosmic laws, and right way conduct. It's not a just about religions, rituals, but it about living in accordance with the cosmic principle. We are not forcing to anyone will move to in some another reason. We are not to anyone, we are not torturing, we are not asking about the which religion are you belongs to. Like that is the way of life. Universal principle, like Sanatan Dharma as a universal principle that they apply to all beings, including to law of natures of all things, and the importance of the dharma in all aspect of life. Like focus on inquiry and understanding. First we'll focus, then we'll think, then we'll understand what's happening. Like that, like Sanatan Dharma is a spirit of inquiry and a desire to understand the nature and reality, and rather than the expecting dogma. Like varna and karma, Sanatan Dharma is incomplete of karma. It's like a concept of like a varna, it's social classic and division of labor, and karma, action and reaction. This concept are not about the social hierarchy, but the about understanding of action and their impact on self and others. Sometimes we'll think like now we are not thinking about what we did in a past time, but if you will think about the past, if you do wrong, if you did wrong to anyone now, definitely karma is give you punish. So don't think like right now we are enjoying, right now you are torturing some people, right? We are commenting some peoples and we are do anything like we kill them, anything like any such kind of don't think like if it's not effective, definitely in future karma will back. So that is the karma and varma. It's one kind of it's this is a main point of life. Sometime before, like sometime before they are saying like some people are speaking like karma is not here, karma it's not. But right now what's the happening, karma is not taking a time, they are not taking too much time. Karma is like a giving it back to back, like right yesterday you did not, today will definitely will something happened. So that is the karma. And like historical some context, like Sanatan Dharms can be tracked back to Vedic texts like the Mahabharata and Ramayans and various types of books also of the and influence. Right now, Sanatan Dharma is very good and very um, attractive. If you will move to in Sanatan Dharma, if you will think about the Dharma, if you will relate to our religion, that time will it's a very good way. You will how to find the our self only. If you will go to in temple, that time we'll see the God. That time will brain also is think like a positive. Everything will be positive vibe coming. So that is the so Sanatan Dharma is still used to today by many Hindus to refer the traditional way of life and the principle. Sanatan Dharma is guide their understanding the universe and human. So that is the basic things of Sanatan Dharma. And Sanatan Dharma, you will definitely will follow the Sanatan Dharma, because if you will follow the Sanatan Dharma, it's good for Sanat, it's good for us, it's good for you, it's good for me. Like I am also following Sanatan Dharma because I am Hindu, I'm not another. So and I'm born in Hindu only, and so automatically I'm follow up Sanatan Dharma because my family are they are following in Sanatan Dharma. So childhood onwards I'm Sanatani. So if you will just worship in God, goddess, anything you will worship, definitely it will work. Definitely will follow. It definitely will follow with good path. So thank you for this video. We'll speak something another thing to another video. Thank you.